Hi everyone, this is Elisa Shapiro. I'm your instructor for financial accounting this fall, and this video is to help you get started. I just want to show you the organization of the course on Canvas and point out some important policies and procedures I think you should be aware of. All right, so to get started, you'll be in your Lion's Den and you will scroll down to your Canvas courses. Mine's, my homepage in Lion's Den looks a little different than yours. I have different courses and different items as instructor. Here's our course, ACCT 101-90V. So click on that to open it, and now you're in Canvas. It opens right up to our homepage. At this point, you will read the homepage. At the bottom of this homepage, this video right now that I'm doing for you guys will be embedded so you can watch it again. You'll read that, and then you will come over here to this white background menu. This is your course navigation. You're going to go to modules. This is the best way to handle the course, I believe. Okay, when you're in modules, I'm going to close these up. When you're in modules, you are going to start with this Getting Started module. All right, we're going to open that up. There's a text page. I open that up. And I'm going to go through these items. Number one is your syllabus. Okay, please download that syllabus, read it, review it in here. I'm going to show you, print it, keep it handy. There's a lot of really important things in here. I'm going to open it real quickly for you. So here is the syllabus. Okay, all my contact information is here. Email is the best way to really contact me. I answer pretty quickly. Here's the information for our chair, text support numbers, and then we have text information. Okay, I'm sending you a separate video along with this one to show you how to get registered for our course resources. They are already paid for in the cost of the tuition of this course, so you don't have to put out any more money, but you must get connected. So be sure to watch that video as well. Our course outcomes and learning objectives, please read those. And then I go on to tell you a little bit about the items you will be graded upon, which are exams, homework, discussion boards are required, how to get full points for those. There's a discussion board rubric. Please follow this when making your postings on the discussion board. All right, and there's an animated lecture assignment. Those are your animated lecture, your exams, and your homework are all through MyLabs. You will access them from Canvas. There's a link, click on it, and the system will reroute you to MyLabs once you are registered. All right, the grade you get there will flow back into Canvas Gradebook. Here's a breakdown of your grade components, our 10-point grading scale. All right, and very importantly, the calendar of due dates. So as you can see, class begins September 14th, this week, Wednesday, and your first assignment is due by Friday, which is posting to the introduction board. And then we hit the ground running. All right, it's a 12-week course. We have a lot of material to cover, so be sure you always meet these dates. These dates are firm. All right, there are no makeups or extensions. Anyone who has what they consider to be an emergency or something truly an important, or something comes up unexpected that is really impacting your ability to meet those deadlines, you have to come to me sooner than later with some form of documentation, and then we will discuss it at that point. Overall, however, having to work or electricity is going out, that's not a reason not to meet the due dates, because these assignments are open for many, many days. So my best suggestion is don't wait till the last minute. So that's your syllabus. Okay, that was number one. So print that out and keep that available. Here's a link to your first assignment, the introduction board. My next video explains how to get connected with MyLabs. And then that's really it for getting started. Just read through all those 4 items there. Every chapter in the course that we cover has its own module. So I'm going to open chapter 1. I'm going to open the text page, and I always begin with an introduction to the chapter, tell you what it's going to be about, and then give you a series of steps to complete this chapter. It's usually to read the introduction, definitely review the learning objectives, which are in the PowerPoints, read the chapter, go over all the materials, which include the PowerPoints. I often have videos embedded at the bottom of lectures I record, and the MyLabs has videos recorded, and you'll be able to access all of them. Then complete your homework assignments for the chapter. 1 is an animated lecture assignment, and 2 is a homework assignment. All right, so you can read about those in the syllabus, but make sure you get them done. Those are through MyLab. Your third assignment is your discussion board. There's a discussion forum for every chapter, and there's a couple of extra research forums. Again, look at the rubric, get full points for those. All your chapter forms look the same, so I like to be consistent and give you the steps to follow to complete the chapter. Once you complete a series of chapters, so for example, chapter 1, 2, and 3, and we meet the deadlines, and you do a research discussion board forum postings, you'll have your first exam. Okay, this too, you'll open that up and there will be a link. You click on that, you'll be directed to MyLabs, and you will be able to finish the test. That's really what I wanted to show you to help you get started, and to point out that the due dates are firm, and that's very important to be strong with your time management skills, and that you can reach out to me anytime. I will be online with you every day, Monday through Friday. I check my emails over the weekend. I jump in, I help you guys discuss things, I help answer questions. So don't be afraid to reach out at any time. I'm looking forward to a great semester, and I'm also looking forward to reading your posts on the introduction discussion board. Have a great one.